Hello, one more dear friend. Today I teach you English alphabets, pronunciation and some words. So I am beginning this video. A for apple. B for bell. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for king. L for lamb. M for man. N for new. O for orange. P for pen. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for year. Z for zero.